Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows key if it's not working in your Windows 11. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you haven't done so yet, you gotta restart your computer first, okay? And check if it helps. Now, if that won't work, go to your taskbar right here, right-click on the blank space, now click on Task Manager. Wait for it to load. Now just type in the search bar, Windows Explorer, okay? Right here, right-click on it and just click on Restart. Wait for the process to finish and check if it helps. Now, if that won't work on your keyboard, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and show you. On your keyboard, press Function plus the Windows key simultaneously. Hold it for about 3 seconds. And after that, just go ahead and check if it helps, okay? This method right here works for most users, okay, and for most keyboards. Now, if that still won't work, go to your Start menu, right-click on it, go ahead and go to Settings. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and go to Accessibility. Now go ahead and find a keyboard. Right here, click on it. Now make sure that Filter Keys is disabled. Okay? And once that's disabled, right-click on Start menu. Now click on Device Manager. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and find Keyboards. Okay? Find your specific keyboard. Right-click on it. Click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. And once that's done, close, restart your computer, and everything should work perfectly fine now. If that is it, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.